How to fix local security authority missing in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Fix 1. Install the latest Microsoft Defender update. Installing the latest Microsoft Defender update ensures your system is equipped with the latest security patches. This fix works by potentially addressing any underlying issues that may have caused the local security authority protection to go missing. The group policy feature allows you to manage the working environment of user accounts. Adjusting the LSA settings here may restore the missing protection. If that didn't work, copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video.